What is up, everybody? Shad here for another pretty quick video. The pile that you can see, it's obvious that, and from the title, this is about washing your microfiber products, what to use, what not to use, what to do, what not to do. Trying to make this really quick. For detergents, I use the P&S Rags to Riches. If you want to use a regular laundry detergent, using stuff like this, probably wouldn't recommend. It's recommended that you use stuff without dyes, without scents, anything that's like free and gentle, stuff like that for your detergents. But for this stuff, it's been more than good. It cleans really well, and it doesn't leave any kind of smell or anything. It does have a smell itself, but it doesn't leave the smell in the towels. Like, just for example, the towels that I was using bead maker on, the bead maker would get kind of soaked into the towels. Even after using regular detergent, I could still sense that there was some bead maker in it. Soaked the towels with a little bit of the Rags to Riches and then put it in the wash, and it was gone. So stuff works really good. First, obviously, you want to take all the towels that you're gonna wash, put them in the washing machine. I'm getting ready to switch up what towels I'm going to be using, so I don't mind if any color transfers. Color transfer doesn't really affect the performance of the towel. I've had it happen on a few towels and it did no damage. It's just a matter of how it looks. You can also use it on these. These are microfiber, so you can toss those in the washing machine. And with this type of a bottle, makes things really easy. You don't have to guess how much you're putting in. You just squeeze it and it fills it up 1 ounce for you. And then you pour that in. And since these were a little dirty, I'm gonna do 2 ounces. And you get a perfect ratio. So you get the 2 ounces in there, close that. I've got the soil set on medium. Some stuff was a little dirty. The wash temperature, you want to use warm, don't want to use hot. And cold doesn't really do anything for you. Warm, it'll loosen up the fibers so that we can get all the gunk out. And then I set it on delicate. And then I start it. Simple as that for the wash. And while the washing machine's going, I figured I'd read up on the directions for this. As it says, it's formulated for use with all residential and commercial washing machines, including HE safe on all textile types, including microfiber, cotton, chamois, and other fabric blends. For smaller, lightly soiled loads, use 1 ounce. For large loads, use 2 ounces. Pre-soak heavily soiled and or hydrophobic towels in a bucket of water mixed with 1 to 2 ounces of Rags to Riches prior to washing. For best results, wash with warm water and dry on low heat setting or hang to dry. Do not use fabric softeners and avoid mixing microfiber products with non-microfiber products. Quick and easy. And that's what I was saying earlier when I had the bead maker stuck in one of the towels. I just put it in a bucket, let it soak in some water with some Rags to Riches, and things were fine from there. After this gets done, we'll move on to drying. It's just as easy. Okay, now that the washing is done, on to the drying. Drying's really easy. You want to set your temperature to low, and then you want to make sure that this is clean. I mean, obviously you can have little stuff, you can't get everything out of it, but you don't want it to have any pulp. Open the dryer, Open the washing machine. There's everything right there. And the red towels have been washed a few times, so nothing's gonna transfer. And these you can put in the dryer. They're microfiber. Everything goes in. All right, everything's in. Now, unlike clothes, you do not want to use a dryer sheet. You do not want to use any fabric softener. The dryer sheet, you don't want clinging to the microfiber. It's gonna degrade it. You're just gonna put all your towels in, close your dryer. And that's it. Easy as that. As always, thanks for watching. Check back on the next video. And have a good holiday. Take care, everybody.